Hi everyone, Dr. Hasbullah here, and I'm preparing this video to welcome all of you to the second part of our online fluid mechanics course. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you on the successful completion of part 1 of this course. And just for your information, all the videos for part 1 are always available in this channel should you need them for your revision later. As in part 1, I must tell you that creating a full fluid mechanics syllabus requires massive effort from my part. Therefore, my only request to you is that you match my effort to learn this subject. Feel free to watch the videos as many times as you like, wherever you are in the world. You can pause them whenever you feel necessary and cross-reference what you learn here with other resources at your disposal. These videos are not only useful for you now, but it would also be beneficial even after you graduated and working in the industry. The videos will always be here for your reference, so make sure to take full advantage of it and learn as much as you can. In this part 2 of our online fluid mechanics course, we are going to be looking at 5 major topics as a continuation to what you have learned in part 1. Chapter 1 will cover the differential forms of fundamental laws. You have been introduced to the fundamental laws in part 1 where you have derived continuity and momentum equation in the integral form. In this course, you basically will be working with similar laws but this time using differential form. For chapter 2, we are going to be looking at potential flow theory. Potential flow theory covers a few basic types of flow such as uniform flow, source flow, sink flow, and combination of this flow. You will also learn about the definition of stream function and streamlines and how this could help us in solving fluid flow problems. For the next chapter, we are going to learn about boundary layer theory. This chapter would explain why every moving object would encounter drag when they are moving through any medium. Some say that boundary layer is the enemy because it generates losses and inefficiency. We'll discuss this in greater details about boundary layers when we get there. For chapter 4, we are going to be looking at compressible flow. This is a type of flow that involves density changes as the flow travels along its path. These changes in density could occur when the flow is moving very fast, even beyond the speed of sound. This is the reason why fighter jets are not allowed to fly supersonic very close to residential areas as the noise would shatter our windows. And finally, in chapter 5, we will be looking at turbomachinery. This is my favorite topic as my PhD research was about turbomachinery. In this topic, we will see how these devices could be used to extract energy from the fluid and transfer it into mechanical rotation. Not only that, we could also reverse this process and use turbomachine to transfer energy to the fluid. Now, as your instructor, I'd like to recommend that whenever you open the video, just go through it for the first time without pausing, regardless of whether you understand it or not. And then you go through it again for the second time, but this time do it in a very detailed manner. Follow every step one by one and pause if necessary when working on a problem. If you are still confused after the second pass, feel free to watch it again and again until you understand. You could also write a comment to ask questions and include the timestamp to pinpoint exactly where you are stuck. If the question is simple, I'll reply it, but if the question is quite extensive, I can prepare another video to elaborate further. Okay everyone, this video is just to welcome everyone to this course and I hope that you are ready and excited as I am to begin this journey. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!